Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 38,946 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we only point out large areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing the bike in person. There are paint chips on the front fender, scratches and a gouge on the saddlebag, and scuffs on the upper fairing. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It has been upgraded with a power commander, a Kirker 2-to-1 exhaust heat wrap, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Clockworks windshield, grips, a saddleman seat, and tall handlebars. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.